The following video is made for educational purposes only. Everything you see is just an educational example. It does not constitute financial advice. Results may vary for you. If you've ever traded meme coins, you know most of them crash and burn. Maybe you're sick of losing money on dead-end projects, or maybe you're ready to flip the script and start making profits instead. Either way, stick around. I'm about to walk you through the whole process of launching meme coins the smart way. Here's the game changer. Quit gambling on meme coins and start launching them yourself. Yeah, pump fund might seem like the obvious choice, but let's be honest, it's a zoo in there. Standing out? Nearly impossible unless you've got something wild up your sleeve. Time to level up your game. While everyone's drowning in pump fund's endless token spam, we're going where the real players operate. Radium. Better fundamentals, stronger performance metrics, and most importantly, a manageable 5 to 10 launches per minute versus the hundreds you see elsewhere. This is where we separate ourselves from the pack. Alright, let's get to the good stuff. Launching on Radium is way easier than you think thanks to launchtool.io. No coding skills needed, no complicated processes, just a few clicks and you're live. Seriously, what used to take hours now takes minutes. Ready to see how it works? Let's dive in. Time for step 1, logo time. This needs to be either hilarious or eye-catching. No boring designs allowed. My go-to method? Scroll through trending memes on social media and put your spin on one. Case in point, this trendy chicken jockey from Minecraft. Don't forget to save it as 128 by 128 pixels before downloading it. Logos ready? Awesome. Let's get cooking. Step 2 is where the magic happens. Just hit this button to connect your wallet and approve the permissions when prompted. That's it. We're officially in business. Time to define your coin's personality. First, I'll type in chicken jockey as the name. Pretty straightforward. The symbol should be equally catchy, so jockey it is. For the description, throw in something that'll make people smirk. My go-to is, that's right, chicken jockey is now a meme coin. Now upload that perfectly sized logo we created and click next. These tokenomics are made painless. The pre-configured settings are battle-tested for meme coins, so you're in good hands. Feel free to review them if you'd like, but when you're ready, just click next. We're almost ready to launch. Now here's a section you can completely ignore. They'll ask for creator info and a website link, but here's the truth. It's not worth it. This feature actually costs you 0.1 Sol, and honestly, I wouldn't bother even if it was free. Smart move? Just toggle it off and keep your Solana. Click next, and let's move on to what actually matters. Here's where you can add social media profiles, a genuinely helpful feature for building community. While I recommend connecting platforms when you're serious about a project, today we're focusing purely on the launch mechanics. Consider this optional for now, but essential when you're ready to properly market your coin. Security checkpoint ahead. Do not zone out. Revoke freeze equals no transaction paralysis. Revoke mint equals no unlimited printing press. Revoke update equals no sneaky contract changes. These are public, verifiable safeguards that serious investors inspect religiously. See that launch my token button? Don't touch it until you've triple-checked that all 3 revokes are enabled. Your credibility depends on it. Just wait for a bit and your wallet will pop up. Go through the standard confirmation process, and after a few seconds, your coin will be officially launched. Now you can check all your tokens info here, but let's go to SolScan to confirm its existence in the network. Look at that. SolScan doesn't lie. Your coin is officially live and kicking on the blockchain. You can geek out over all the details. Total supply, token ID, the works, but save the celebration for later, because step 3 is where the real magic happens. Let's keep this momentum going. Now we're at the pivotal moment, liquidity injection. This is what bridges your token to the Radium trading ecosystem, making it visible and tradable to everyone. See that create liquidity pool option? That's your golden ticket to getting listed alongside other Radium tokens, like we saw before. Click it and watch your project come alive. You're now on Radium's site. First things first, connect your wallet by clicking up here. Once that's done, we need to add our meme coin as the base token. Head back to Launch Tool, copy your token's address, and paste it into Radium's field. Fill in the name and symbol, just like you did in Launch Tool, then hit Add User Token. Now select your token. You'll see the 1 billion total supply. Here's the key part, add 900 million to the liquidity pool. Why? Because that's the meme coin standard. It ensures enough tokens are tradable while keeping some aside. For quote tokens, Sol stands alone. No competition. Here's your power move. Deposit the max amount without hesitation. And before you ask, yes, this is completely risk-free. Your SOL isn't locked away. It's fully retrievable no matter what happens with your coin. But always remember to deduct 0.2 SOL first to cover Radium's unavoidable fee, then go all in with the rest. When it comes to the fee tier, I always stick with 2%. It's my proven sweet spot. Some folks claim 0.5% works too, but honestly, I haven't tested it myself so I can't vouch for it. Now for the grand finale, hit that Initialize Liquidity Pool button, approve the transaction in your wallet, and boom, your Memecoin is officially open for trading. Welcome to the big leagues. Launch confirmed. Our token's sitting pretty on Photon's listings, just waiting for its first bites. The waiting game begins, but instead of refreshing the page obsessively, let's talk charts. Step 4 reveals my personal trading dashboard, the crystal ball that helps predict our token's trajectory. For real-time tracking, I always use Dex Screener. It's more intuitive than Photon and way better for demonstration purposes. The process is simple. Select any token in the list, grab your token's address from Launch Tool, and paste it into Dex Screener's URL. Voila! Your complete trading dashboard appears. Liquidity is your most important metric here. Watch it like a hawk. Those bot trades flashing by? Annoying, but just background noise you'll learn to tune out. While we wait, let's check your Radium portfolio. This is your mission control for tracking positions and balances. Head to the Standard Portfolio tab, not the Advanced view, and you'll see your position appear within 10 to 15 minutes. No need to refresh like crazy. The blockchain needs time to process. This is also where you'll cash out profits straight to your wallet when the time comes. Check out this time-lapse of our launch performance. While it's mostly self-explanatory, here are the key takeaways. Those initial bot transactions? Totally normal. Ignore the noise. Focus instead on the real metrics that matter: trading volume, market cap growth, and especially liquidity. That's your moneymaker. Here's the game plan. Monitor your Radium portfolio until your position appears. Then take your profits when the numbers hit your target. Let me walk you through the exact process. Final step, let's take our profits. Head to your Radium portfolio's standard tab and find your LP position. Hit the minus button, slide to 100%, and ignore the top numbers. Focus on the SOL value at the bottom. That's your real payout. Ready to lock in profits? Click, remove liquidity, and confirm the transaction. Remember that this is an educational demo, not financial advice. Upon receiving this notification, you'll find your wallet balance has updated accordingly. In this instance, we've successfully made some nice profits over our initial investment within minutes. While these returns may not be extraordinary, this method represents a viable strategy for generating consistent supplemental income when executed multiple times daily. Important disclosure: this video serves strictly educational purposes. I have no affiliation with Photon, Launch Tool, Dex Screener, or any platforms mentioned herein. This content demonstrates a theoretical approach to token launches for instructional purposes only. Note that, while this methodology currently presents an opportunity, market conditions may change unpredictably. Proceed at your own discretion.